5 reasons car won't accelerate but RPMs go up. If your car won't accelerate but RPMs go up, a couple of factors could have triggered such a situation. Indeed, it is not very pleasant when you step on your gas pedal, but the car is not accelerating. The vehicle might not be as fast as it should be. However, the reason for these issues could vary from simple to complex problems. Perchance, you may try to solve the problem yourself or visit your mechanic if the condition persists. Notwithstanding, this video will help you understand and comprehend the factors that have made your vehicle not accelerate uphill. Let's get started without much ado. Why a car won't accelerate but RPMs go up. When your car RPMs is running high, it causes rough idling, which means your engine may shake or vibrate while running. As a driver, you will not be comfortable. Although, there are many reasons why the RPMs might be running high. So, the first thing to do is to check for bad spark plugs. If your plug is damaged, it might cause your RPMs to run high. Plugs are responsible for creating the spark that ignites the fuel in the engine. Also, if the plug is dirty, it causes rough idling, which may prevent the car from starting. There might be a leaking vacuum hose in the car. Hoses deliver air and fuel to the combustion chamber. If it leaks, the air will mix with the gas, causing the RPMs to go higher than they should. Another thing to look out for is a clogged air filter if the air is having difficulties entering the combustion chamber. A faulty carburetor or dirty fuel injector can also be a problem. It would help if you cleaned your injector frequently to prevent it from being clogged. A more complex cause is if the car's transmission is slipping. If this is the problem, you must stop driving the car once to avoid further damage. You might need to go to a mechanic for a proper diagnosis. Why a car won't accelerate past 40. If your acceleration doesn't go past 40 miles per hour, then there might be a problem with your exhaust pipe. It might be blocked. You must take it to the experts. You can also test your fuel pressure or try to do a compression test. The problem might also be from the timing or floating of the valve. The valvetrain might have weak springs or parts, thereby making the valve float and preventing the engine from going any faster than the current speed. Why a car won't accelerate past 20. Are you driving your car and pressing the pedal, but it does not accelerate past 20 miles per hour? Critically, different factors might be responsible for this problem. However, you should ask yourself, when was the last time you serviced your vehicle? You might have to take it to the mechanic as there might be a problem. The filter might also be clogged, or the catalytic converter will stop functioning. The reason car won't accelerate uphill. A car driving uphill must work harder than usual. There must be much acceleration to drive it up a hill, even if gravity works against it. Any fault from the car might make it very difficult for the engine to move it up a hill. Therefore, here are some reasons that might cause this. 1. Fuel filter. If the gasoline in your car isn't pure and clean, there is no way your engine will work effectively. Ensure your fuel filter isn't lousy or dirty to make the gasoline dirty and harm the engine. 2. Exhaust filters. If your exhaust filters are clogged or blocked, you may experience a problem while driving. The car may be able to move on flat roads, but the problem will occur on an uphill road. Hence, there is a tendency for the car won't be able to go uphill. 3. Cylinder compression. A low cylinder compression will work against your engine as there won't be enough power to push the vehicle up a hill. It would help if you had a high cylinder compression to control the engine properly. 4. Air filter. The neatness of the internal chamber is vital to make the engine effective. A clogged filter might damage your engine due to dirt and other pollutants. It is essential to clean your air filter. 5. Camshaft sensor. A spoiled or damaged camshaft position sensor will produce wrong timing on the speed and reduce the engine's power, making it challenging to drive the car uphill. In conclusion, I have explored why your vehicle's acceleration might be having problems. Remember that the only way you can be sure of whatever situation might arise in your car is to take it in for a complete diagnosis. Although, the best thing you can do as a driver is to ensure you do not drive when you suspect your car is not functioning correctly. So, to avoid further damage to your vehicle, it would be best if you employ the services of a certified mechanic. Do have a pleasant and lovely ride. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And also, like, and share this video, and I will see you in my next video.